using different apps in Canva. It will work like this. Let's start. Open a blank video page, click on Elements. In the search box, search for butterfly. Let's select this image, reduce its size, place it here. Now go to Elements again. In the search box, search for water, click on Photos. Let's select this image. Now reduce its size and place it on the bottom side like this, below the image. Now duplicate this image, click on Flip and flip vertical and place it here above the water image. Now click on Apps. Let's select this one, Slice app, then click on Minced, adjust, offset and count and click on Save. Now click on Transparency and reduce its transparency. Now add another page, click on Elements. In the search box, search for flowers, click on Photos. Let's select this image. Now click on Apps, click on Your Apps. Let's select this app, Text Art Maker. Here text is A. So select this image and click on button Use Selected Image. Click on Min Size and increase its size. Close this and click on Add to Design. Now it's added with design. So reduce this, remove this image, increase this image size. Now add another page, click on Elements, add an image, increase its size up to the size of page. Click on Apps, click on Your Apps. Let's select this app, Replace Background. Select this image and upload here. In the background prompt, let's write this prompt, Galaxy, and click on Replace. It will be transforming the image and showing here in the preview, and you can see that it's applied and Galaxy is showing in the background. In this way we can do different kind of designs and effects using apps in Canva. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.